All right, welcome back. I know that this is a really long notes presentation, and I apologize for that. But this is the nature of the beast. And when we're not learning English grammar in our English classes, and we have to take time to learn our English grammar before we can learn our Spanish grammar, it does make for a longer notes lecture. Okay, at the end of the last video, I asked you to rewrite these sentences, using a direct object pronoun, and to write each sentence two ways. So one with the DOP before the verb, and one with the DOP attached to the second verb. Okay, so number one, los platos would be my direct object. I'm going to use the DOP los to replace it. So the first way that you can write it is no los queremos lavar. Oh, where did it go? There we go. We don't want to wash them. Okay, so even though it's a negative sentence, my DOP goes directly before the conjugated verb. So in between the no and the verb. All right, the second way that I can write that is no queremos lavarlos, and this is connected. We don't want to wash them. Okay. Number two, los estudiantes van a hacer la tarea. The students are going to do the homework. So then we're going to rephrase it. The students are going to do it. The homework is my direct object, so I'm going to use the DOP la. Los estudiantes la van a hacer. Students are going to do it. Or los estudiantes van a hacerla. One word. The students are going to do it. Number three, yo voy a llamar a él. I'm going to call him. So él, I would use my DOP lo. Yo lo voy a llamar. I'm going to call him. Or voy a llamarlo. I'm going to call him. Tú tienes que usar la computadora para la tarea. So my direct object is la computadora. I'm going to use the DOP la. Tú la tienes que usar para la tarea. You have to use it for homework. Or tienes que usarla para la tarea. You have to use it. And make sure you have your K in here because that's what expresses the obligation. Puedes pagar la cuenta. So la cuenta is going to be la. La puedes pagar. Can you pay it? Or puedes pagarla. Can you pay it? And number six, yo puedo pagar la cuenta. La puedo pagar or puedo pagarla. So these are really just the same as number five. It's just the verb form that's different. Okay, next up, I want you to translate these sentences and use a direct object pronoun. So I've told you what the direct object is, so what the it or them is going to be. So make sure that you use the correct DOP for it. All right, hit pause, write your sentences. When you're done, hit play. All right, number one, I'm going to buy them. If they are los pantalones, los voy a comprar or voy a comprarlos. I don't care which way you do this. I think on your notes I say do 3 one way and 3 the other way. Okay, number two, I don't want to mow it if it is the yard. No lo quiero cortar or no quiero cortarlo. Okay, so if you have the DOP before your verb, make sure it is directly for the conjugated verb after the no. They are going to help her. Ellos van a ayudarla. They are going to help her. Or ellos la van a ayudar. My sister can set it. Mi hermana puede ponerla. Or mi hermana la puede poner. You can buy it. Tú puedes comprarla because it's la cartera. Or tú la puedes comprar. I can't pay for them. No puedo pagarlos or no los puedo pagar. Okay, I don't need a por in this sentence. I don't need a pagar por los. In Espanol, we only really use the por whenever we're like saying like I paid this much money for this other thing. You can use por with pagar, or pagar can include the por. Like, I'm going to pay for them. Okay, next up. Oh, sorry, we still have some more. I'm going to look for them if they are the boots. Voy a buscarlas, or las voy a buscar. She is going to call me, excuse me. Ella va a llamarme, or ella me va a llamar. We are going to bring them the pencils. That would be los for my DOP. Los vamos a traer or vamos a traerlos. Okay, or you have to clean it if it is the bathroom. Tienes que limpiarlo. Make sure you have your K in here. That's what shows the application. Or lo tienes que limpiar. Okay. Either way is correct. If it confuses you when you can do the DOP before the verb versus when you can do it after the verb attached to the end, it's always a safe bet to put the DOP directly before the conjugated verb. Okay, DOPs with an affirmative command. We probably won't be doing this a whole lot. I'll move my little video down here. Okay, when you have a DOP with a command, it has to be attached to the end of the command. So like whenever I say like levántense, okay, that's a DOP attached to the end. Or the game, dilo, okay, say it. Okay, the command D is the command form of decir, to say, and lo is it, dilo. Okay, so you have to add an accent to the second to last syllable of the verb. That's the third to last overall. Okay, so your direct object pronoun does not count as a syllable in the verb. So like wash them if they are the dishes. So the command would be lava, and then the DOP that I would use for the dishes, which are los platos, would be los, lavalos. And then I put an accent mark on the A. Okay, or pass it if it is the salt. Pásala. Accent on my second to last syllable of the verb. So here's my verb, pasa, count back, 1, 2. Take it out if it is the trash, sácala. Okay, so the trash, la basura, saca is my verb, count back, 1, 2, sácala. Okay, so go ahead and make these into commands. Remember the to command form is the he, she form. Okay, all right, hit pause and then hit play when you're done. All right, buy them if they are the pants. Cómpralos, accent on the O. Mow it, okay, or cut it. Córtalo, okay, accent on your O. Help her. Ayúdala, 1, 2, accent mark. Set it, the table. Ponla. No accent needed here because this is only one syllable. Buy them if they are the shoes. Cómpralos. Same thing as up here. Do it. Hazlo. Eat them if they are the tacos. Cómelos. Look at me. Mírame. Pay it if it is the bill. Págala. Write it if it is your name. Escríbelo. So whenever we play escríbelo in class, and that's the game, and what do you have to do? You have to write it. Escríbelo. Okay, that is all I have about direct object pronouns. If you have questions, please let me know. Again, sorry this was so long. I know it's a lot. We're going to be doing lots and lots of practice over DOPs. Reference this video if you need to. Adios. Have a great day.